Setting up a QuickBooks Workforce account allows our employees to view their pay stubs, W-2s, and other payroll information online. Here's how to set it up. Ensure payroll is enabled. First, ensure that QuickBooks Online Payroll or QuickBooks Desktop Payroll is set up for your company. Workforce works alongside QuickBooks Payroll to provide employees with access to their pay information. Invite employees. Go to Payroll from the left-hand menu. Click on Employees. Select the employee you want to invite, then choose Invite to Workforce under the Employee Details section. If you are using QuickBooks Desktop, open Employees, then click Manage Payroll Cloud Services and invite them from the QuickBooks Workforce section. Send the invitation. Enter the employee's email address and click Send Invite. Your employee will receive an email invitation to set up their Workforce account. Employee Action. Employees must open the invitation email and follow the link to create a QuickBooks Workforce account. They will set up a username and password, then log in to access their pay stubs and tax documents. Review payroll data. Once employees have accepted the invite, they can log in anytime to review their pay and tax forms.